It's now official that Kasarani Stadium will host the CHAN 2024 finals this August. But the big question is, are we really ready? With just weeks to go before the big games, I got a chance to give you an exclusive access to the current transformation happening right here at Kasarani Stadium. A brand new lush green turf ready for action, more floodlights being installed at the training grounds, seats being cleaned and restored section by section, and yes, the all-round canopy and VIP areas are already looking world-class. Are you ready for today's tour? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching. Welcome to yet another episode. I'm your host Dolphin, and as you can see my background, I'm finally here inside the Kasarani Stadium. Guys, what is happening here is just the final touches. The stadium really looks good, so I'm gonna be doing a round tour of this stadium, show you how it looks like as at today. Guys, I'm telling you, the preparations are on another level, so stick around, make sure you watch this video till the end. If you're here for the very first time, you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a very big thumbs up, and let's do this. Let's go. Oh my God. So I'm already inside the stadium. You see, the place already has this green carpet you're seeing. Oh my God, it looks beautiful, right? Wow, so I'll be going with you to second floor, third floor. Wow, inside Kasarani. You see, this is where we are right now. Last time, guys, I'm so sorry, I confused telling you that this was a running track. This is not a running track, it is a carpet. And after the games are done, this carpet will be removed and our beautiful grass will be grown. So this is the current situation. As you can see, people have been employed here. The seats are already cleaned. Yani, you see what is happening? We have a beehive of activities going on. So let me take you to the second floor. This is now the VIP area. You see? Number 1, number 2. So let's go. third floor. As you can see, when you are here, you can see the beautiful views of the stadium, guys. Look at these. Guys, I'm currently here at third floor. As you can see, the stadium has a lot of activities going on, but the major updates that I'm going to share with you today is the scoreboard. As you can see, we have two of them, very big, one on my left and the other one this side. There we go. So as you can see, today we have lots of employees here, most of them being women, which is a very good thing. Imagine, they've all been employed to clean these seats. So as you can see, the seats are very clean. You see how clean the seats are. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always supporting my work. If you're here for the very first time, you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Give the video a very big thumbs up and see you in my next one. Bye bye.